Now let's talk about water in multiple containers. We have two containers A and B as shown below. If you pour water from B to A, when the two containers have the same volume of water, what is the depth of water in each container? And when the depths of the water in the two containers are equal, what is the depth? First, let's figure out how much volume of water we have altogether. We can see that the water is in container B right now, and that it has a volume with dimensions of 50 by 20 by 24. So we're going to multiply 50 times 20 times 24 to get a total volume of 24,000 centimeters cubed. Now, if we wanted to have half of the water in each container, we would take half of this. So 24,000 divided by 2 is going to be 12,000. That's the amount of water that we'll have in each box A and box B. If we want to know what the height will be, or the depth for each container, we'll take that one container at a time. For A, if we know that the total volume is 12,000, and we divide that by 50 and 40, for our length and our width, we'll end up with our depth, which is 6 centimeters. And for B, we can do the same thing. We know that we'll again have 12,000 cubic centimeters, and we'll divide that by the 50 for the length and 20 for the width, and we'll get a depth of 12 centimeters. Now, what are the depths of water in the two containers when they are equal? So if we wanted to figure out what the two containers would be when they are equal in depth, we would need to know the base of A, which is 50 times 40, which would be a base area of 2,000, and B, which has a base area of 50 times 20, which is 1,000. And then we could say that whatever this depth is that is shared by both of them, we can multiply that by 2,000 and then add it to the depth times 1,000 for container B, and in total it should give us the 24,000 cubic centimeters. Now, if we simplify this, we would know that this would be the same thing as the depth times 3,000 would equal 24,000. If we do our division, 24,000 divided by 3,000 means that the depth is going to be equal to 8 centimeters. So if we have the depths of water in the two containers equal, it would be at 8 centimeters.